Welcome back. We're on another location of restoration work with A&A Masonry. My name's Greg. We've got our crew getting set up behind me here, and it's a very common call that we get into the office where we have spalling brick and tuck pointing, and it's a technique where we actually grind out the mortar joint between the bricks and we replace spalling bricks or deteriorating bricks due to water deterioration over seasons and freezing cycles. So if you pan back with me here, cameraman, we're going to see our crew's already set up a scaffolding so they have access to get to the deteriorating brick, and they're actually starting to chisel away. They're going to grind out and replace those bricks. Now, we found a great brick match, so this homeowner is going to be delightful when they see the end result, because we're going to make it look perfect when we match the mortar and we replace them with beautiful bricks that are matching the existing bricks that are there. Let's watch them do their work, and we'll see it when it's done.
A&A Masonry, an award-winning company servicing the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. One of the many benefits that A&A provides is a two-tier approach on the job that sets it up for excellence and the high quality that A&A is known for. The logistics specialist works with the homeowner's needs and helps with design, materials, and all the other aspects required to set up the best possible job for the customer. The second part is the A&A crew that come to do the job. This is the next component in A&A's success, as A&A over time has searched out and selected the top crews in the Greater Toronto Area and the Golden Horseshoe. These top crews are the best artisans in their respective areas, and that's why an A&A job is the best job, hands down, that you can get for your home or property. The first action on this particular job is to set up the scaffolding and access to the area where the bricks have been spalling due to water damage. In this aspect, the crew are very careful to ensure the workspace is safe, the customer's property is protected, and safeguards are in place to help catch debris that helps to ensure the property is left completely clean and immaculate at the end of the job. Once all the details of setting up all possible protections and safeguards is complete, the crew are now ready to start the actual work on the home. You can see here the many bricks on the side of the home that are spalled. As moisture and water gets into the bricks, combined with the freeze-thaw cycle of the different seasons, it causes the bricks to spall. Spalling can be an aesthetic issue, but it can lead to serious structural damage requiring extensive repair work. Older bricks deteriorate through spalling as a result of moisture penetration, eventually resulting in the brick crumbling and the wall eventually failing. As the crew started to jackhammer the decayed bricks out, it became apparent in this case that it was a single bricked wall. This will change the crew's direction on the job and how they go about it. Taking out too many bricks at one time on a single brick wall can be risky and have possible dangerous consequences. The masons in this case, being very knowledgeable and experienced, are experts in handling this kind of situation. The crew take out the bricks in exact stages, replacing them with new bricks before the next section of bricks are taken out. This exact stage sequence and strategy ensures that the structural integrity of the wall stays fully intact and the customer's home is completely safe as a result. Here you can see where the first stage of bricks have been taken out and replaced with new bricks. It's important to know that the best possible brick match is fully searched out before engaging on the job. It's not uncommon to find that the bricks on a particular home may not be being produced anymore by a manufacturer. It is for this reason as close a match as possible is selected to blend in with the old bricks and to make the home look great. And here is the final stage where all the bricks are replaced and the structural integrity of the wall maintained and a job well done. And as you can see, the wall looks great and is set to last for many years to come. This is why A&A Masonry has become the top company to call for work. So if you care for your home and you have an important next project that you're looking at, if you want a top-notch job performed by the best in the business, If you want a job that's going to look gorgeous and last for years and years, make sure that you call the professionals at A&A and let them get to work for you to make your dream a reality. And now, to wrap up this video, let's take it back to Greg.
Okay, we're here at the final stage, which is just the wrap-up, cleanup, and take a look at what the guys did after we replaced a lot of water-damaged bricks. There you can see we got a pretty good brick match, not perfect, but it's as close as what we can get and what is available in the marketplace. And we also blended it in. So we actually took out about approximately 113 bricks in total. So there was quite a bit of water damage there. But it looks great, the customer's happy, we'll be doing other work later on, and we'll see you on the next job.
To schedule your next project, contact A&A Masonry today.